All right, so today we are going to talk about something really cool, Steam Remote Play, and how you can literally play your PC games from anywhere. So, first, let's understand what Steam Remote Play actually is. So, in simple words, Steam Remote Play is a feature which is created by Valve Corporation that lets you stream games from your main gaming PC to another device. So, basically, the device could be your laptop, mobile phone, tablet, or even another TV. So yeah, here you can see they have different questions and answers as well. You can log into their website and you can literally get their stream support. So basically, your powerful PC stays at home, but you can play your games anywhere. Now, here is the interesting part: the game is not uh, running on your phone or laptop. It is actually running on your PC, and the video is being streamed to your device. It's like watching a live video but interactive. That means even if you have a low end device, you can still play high end games. Now, let's quickly talk about how to use it. So, yeah, here you can see you will have to log into the Steam client on the computer with the installed game you wish to play. Now, log into Steam on another computer or supported device with Steam Link app link. So basically, but the device should have Steam Link app. From there, you can launch and play the game remotely from the Steam library. So here you can see the steps they have mentioned. Launch your game. Make sure your friend is logged into Steam from a supported device. Open your Steam overlay in game. You can use Shift plus Tab. From your friends list, right click on your friend and select Remote Play Together. Once your friend accepts the invite, they will be in game with you. So, how do I disable Remote Play? Steam Remote Play allows access to the host computer on site outside of the game being streamed because you are logged into your Steam account on both computers. So it is assumed you have full access to both computers. If you have don't want to remote Steam session to be able to access your computer, you can easily turn off the feature in the Steam Remote Play setting. So here you can see how do I improve my streaming experience. Here you can see they have different options like hardware, network, game setting. In the hardware, they recommend a minimum of a squared core CPU for the computer running the game. The client has more modest requirements but should have a GPU that supports hardware accelerated radius 264 decoding. A recent laptop or PC should meet the client requirement. The network, they recommend using wired network for the best streaming experience. You will have had some success with the powerline network and wireless EN and AC network with good signal. Though your experience may vary, so the game setting to improve your streaming experience, you can go into your game settings and lower your resolution and turn off vertical syncing. And in the stream setting, in the remote play setting, you can change a number of things that can affect your experience. You can change your preference for speed versus quality, limit the network bandwidth, and adjust the maximum capture resolution. So yeah, this was the things that I thought you should be understand. And here you can see the basic troubleshooting before you get too far down the troubleshooting path. It's good idea to complete the entire setup process to ensure you are ready to use remote play. So here you can see how you can troubleshoot your device and how you can use it. And if remote play still is not working correctly, you'll want to have a look at the known issues below for the more information. If that fails, you can simply get community help or stream support and discuss directly one to one to their client. So yeah, I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.